Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Xbox Elite 2 controller is probably one of the most sought-after gaming peripherals for serious players, offering unparalleled customization and premium build quality that can elevate your gameplay to professional levels. But is it the right choice for every gamer, or just a luxury for the dedicated few? We're diving deep into what makes this controller stand out and whether its advanced features justify the investment for your gaming setup. Number 5. Xbox Elite Series 2 Wireless Gaming Controller. Experience elite performance with the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. Designed with pro players in mind, it offers unparalleled customization and durability for your most important games. Achieve pinpoint accuracy with adjustable tension thumbsticks. Fine-tune the resistance to match your playstyle for improved control and consistency in every match. Gain a competitive edge with shorter hair trigger locks. Reduce the pull distance for rapid inputs, allowing you to fire faster and react quicker. Tailor your experience with interchangeable components. Swap thumbsticks, D-pads, and paddles to create a controller that perfectly suits your gaming style. Save and switch between up to 3 custom profiles directly on the controller. Effortlessly adapt your settings for different games with the dedicated profile button. Enjoy marathon gaming sessions with up to 40 hours of battery life. Its comfortable, ergonomic design and durable construction ensure it can keep up with you. Connect seamlessly across all your devices. Use Xbox Wireless, Bluetooth, or USB-C to play on consoles, PCs, and cloud gaming platforms. What we like. This controller offers unparalleled customization for serious gamers. If you're looking for a way to fine-tune every aspect of your gameplay, from thumbstick tension to button mapping, this is the one. Its durable build and long battery life make it ideal for extended gaming sessions where every advantage counts. What people say. The controller is very comfortable to hold for long gaming sessions. The customization options for button mapping and stick sensitivity are excellent, allowing for a personalized gaming experience. The build quality feels premium, and the materials used are durable. Number 4. ManbaOne Interactive Screen Wireless Gaming Controller. Introducing the ManbaOne, a revolutionary wireless gaming controller designed for ultimate versatility. Experience next-level control across multiple platforms, including PC, Switch, iOS, and Android. Navigate settings with ease using the innovative 2-inch interactive screen. Customize your experience directly on the controller, no apps or software required, for a truly seamless setup. Dominate every game with Hall effect sticks and triggers, ensuring anti-stick drift and unparalleled responsiveness. Achieve faster reaction times and a competitive edge in any genre. Make it your own. Easily adjust vibrations, buttons, and lighting with the intelligent screen. Save up to 4 custom configurations and utilize macro definitions for the back buttons to unleash your ultimate moves. Keep the game going with the built-in 1800 mAh battery and smart charging dock. Enjoy visual battery life indication and convenient, wire-free charging whenever needed. Enhance your gameplay with features like the 6-axis gyroscope and micro-switch buttons. Dive deeper into your favorite titles and enjoy a more immersive gaming session. What we like. Experience a new era of controller interaction with its innovative built-in screen. If you want a controller that allows for on-the-fly adjustments without needing extra software, and offers precise, anti-drift joysticks, this is a fantastic choice. It's versatile for PC, Switch, and mobile gaming, making it a great all-around option. What people say. The Xbox Elite Series 2 controller is a premium controller with customizable features like interchangeable thumbsticks, D-pads, and paddles, allowing for a personalized gaming experience. It offers adjustable tension thumbsticks, allowing gamers to fine-tune the resistance for optimal control and accuracy. The controller boasts a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 40 hours of gameplay on a single charge, ensuring extended gaming sessions without interruption. Number 3. Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Metal Replacement Thumbsticks. Elevate your gaming experience with our premium metal replacement parts designed specifically for your Xbox Elite Series 2 Core controller. These components offer enhanced durability and a superior feel. Enjoy effortless customization thanks to the strong magnetic attraction. Each piece snaps securely into place, ensuring they stay put during intense gaming sessions. Crafted with high-quality materials, the joysticks feature a rubberized coating for optimal grip, while the paddles and D-pads are made from durable, chrome-plated stainless steel. This comprehensive pack includes everything you need: interchangeable thumbsticks, customizable paddles, and a D-pad. Replace worn-out parts and unlock new gameplay possibilities. Specifically engineered for the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 Core. Please note, these parts are not compatible with the original Xbox Elite Wireless Controller, Model 1698. Swapping out components is a breeze. You can easily install or remove any button without hassle, allowing for quick adjustments on the fly. What we like. Elevate your existing Elite Series 2 Core controller with premium metal parts. If you're looking to replace worn-out components or simply want a more durable and tactile feel, these magnetic replacements are perfect. They offer a high-quality upgrade that's easy to install and enhances the overall feel of your controller. What people say. The controller has a great build quality and feels premium in hand. The customizable paddles on the back are a game-changer for competitive play. The adjustable tension thumbsticks allow for precise control and faster reaction times. Number 2. Xbox One Elite Series 2 Metal Mod Kit. Experience unparalleled durability with our top-grade metal components. Designed to withstand intense gaming sessions, these parts won't wear out easily. Enjoy a truly personalized feel with textured grips and an adjustable tool. All parts are removable, allowing you to customize your setup for the ultimate gaming experience. Give your controller a fresh, unique look that stands out. This kit is designed for easy replacement of old buttons, offering a stylish upgrade. Swapping out components is a breeze. The magnetic attachment ensures they stay securely in place until you decide to change them. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: multiple thumbsticks, paddles, D-pads, and a convenient adjustment tool for a full controller overhaul. What we like. Give your Elite Series 2 controller a unique and stylish makeover with this metal mod kit. If you desire a controller that not only performs exceptionally but also stands out visually, this is for you. It provides a full set of customizable metal parts for a personalized and premium gaming experience. What people say. The controller has a great feel and grip, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions. The customizable buttons and paddles allow for a personalized gaming experience, giving you an edge in competitive games. The built-in rechargeable battery offers a good amount of playtime on a single charge. Number 1. Mcbazel metal paddles for Xbox Elite Series 2 and 1. These paddles are designed specifically for your Xbox Elite Series 2 and Series 1 controllers. They offer a perfect, high-quality replacement for your original set, ensuring seamless integration. Crafted from high-density stainless steel, they provide lasting durability and a satisfyingly solid feel. You can count on them to outlast plastic alternatives. Installation is a breeze with their magnetic snap-on design. You can swap them out in seconds without needing any tools, getting you back in the game instantly. Map each paddle to any button to keep your thumbs on the sticks. This allows for faster combos and quicker reactions, giving you the edge in competitive gaming. This set includes 2 medium and 2 mini paddles to suit your grip style. They are ideal for replacing lost or worn paddles or upgrading your controller. What we like. Gain a competitive edge with these durable stainless steel paddles designed for elite controllers. If you're a competitive gamer who needs faster reactions and customizable button mapping without complex setup, these are ideal. Their robust build and easy magnetic attachment ensure you can upgrade and play in seconds. What people say. The Xbox Elite Series 2 controller is a premium gaming accessory that offers a high level of customization and performance. It features interchangeable thumbsticks, D-pads, and paddles, allowing gamers to tailor the controller to their playstyle. The controller also boasts adjustable tension thumbsticks, giving users precise control over sensitivity and movement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.